Hello friends, this video on Semiconductors Part 29 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till Part 28 before going ahead with Part 29. Time that we start with digital electronics, and here we will discuss only the basics or only the building blocks of digital electronics and nothing else. And the building blocks of digital electronics are nothing but logic gates. So before we start with logic gates, we will see what is a digital signal and what is an analog signal. So what is a digital signal and an analog signal? So when we talk about an analog signal, we are talking about signals in the form of continuous time varying voltage or current. That means signals which are continuous or changing with time. Continuous in the sense, let us suppose if you plot some signal, let us suppose it is some signal and this side is your time. So this is how the signal varies. That means it is varying continuously. At every point of time, it is having some different value. And the curve which you get, it looks continuous. So these kind of signals are called analog signals. Whereas when we talk about digital signals, we are talking about signals which are in discrete form. These are the two keywords, discrete and continuous. Discrete means this is time and this is my signal. I say that the signal is high at this point of time. The signal becomes low again at this point of time. The signal becomes very high at this point of time. So that means here if you see, the signal has discrete values. This time the signal is high, this time the signal is low. This time the signal is high, this time the signal is low. So that means the signal is in discrete form. It can either be high or it can be low. It cannot be anything in between. But when we talk about analog signals, it is like the variation is continuous. It can be any value and the variation takes place continuously. In this case, if you see, between these two instances, the variation was instant. It was high and instantly it became low. But here it was at some value and then gradually it keeps changing little value. So that is called as continuous variation. So that is how we differentiate between an analog signal and a digital signal. So thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.